Coco, do you know what today is?
It's Boxycharm.
It is Boxycharm Day. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Okay, y'all, took a sneak peek. It's actually Boxyluxe Day. I took a sneak peek and honestly, I'm not thrilled, okay? But I should have known that I wasn't gonna be thrilled because it's that rare beauty, you know, that pigment shows up a lot. Anyway, when it came time for me to pick my options, pretty much nothing was there. Even the mystery, like where they pick for you, that wasn't even an option, which is weird because you're gonna pick it either way. So that pretty much meant that I had to pick whatever crap they had left. And honestly, for the $50 Boxyluxe that it is, the value is there, but would I, let's get into it. Would I have purchased these items with my own money? No, I would not. Anyway, we have Boxycharm Fall Luxe. The first thing I see is this Cab contour palette. Now, I opened it up and looked at it. It was slit down the middle here, so I just cut it, the back, and then I realized the workers or somebody must have used a razor and slit it because the packaging is cut, and then also the box is cut. You can't really tell on the box or on the packaging here, but it's definitely cut, and then this is, that's slit up. That's slit up. This is the Volume 2 Cab Cosmetics palette, and this retails for $60.
$60.
Yep, $60. Now, this is a beautiful palette. I'm not gonna lie, she is gorgeous, and a lot of these shades would work for me. Would I spend $60 on this? No, I would not. Will I use this? Yes, because I got it, and it's one of the few things in the box that I will actually use. Also, I feel like these could be nice eyeshadows too. So even if you're like, wow, that's too dark for me, I mean, that's a lot of eyeshadow, but you could use it as eyeshadow. Let's just swatch. Let's swatch 4. Okay, we'll go with this since it's the lightest. Yeah, we'll go. That's my favorite blush. We'll go with the darkest shade, and then we'll go with this and this. So we'll do the darkest, lightest, and middle, which probably, okay, hold on, probably won't show up that great on me. See, look, that's so yellow. Like, what am I gonna do with that, dude?
But I want paint the box.
Okay, that's the lightest, the darkest, and the 2 middle shades. Swatching it, I'm just kind of like, okay, whatever. I mean, I have it, so I'm gonna test it out, but, you know, Then we got this shampoo and conditioner from Outre, I don't know. It's 1 and 2 CBD. This actually retails for $66. Am I happy about this? No, I'm not. Why are you sending me shampoo and conditioner? I use specific shampoos and conditioners and hair products for me, for the kids. I don't want this, okay? Let's smell it. Let's smell it.
I want to smell it.
You want to smell it?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe it'll be great, you know, I don't know. And then I'm finding something new, but I also wouldn't spend $66 on, well, maybe I would if it was amazing. Oh yeah, it actually smells really nice.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it actually smells very nice. That was the shampoo. Let's smell the conditioner. I might like this. $66, I better freaking like it. Uh-oh. I'm
going to drop it.
I dropped it. There we go.
Yeah,
this pretty much smells the same. It smells nice. I like this. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it because I have it, and it smells really, really nice. Hopefully I love it, but I'm not thrilled about it, not gonna lie. We have the new Defense Drops. This one I was just like, what the? This retails for $35. It says your first line of defense against getting sick, the immune boosting liquid, blah, blah, blah. I don't want this in, I don't want this in a Boxycharm. If I wanted supplements or something like that, I would get a supplement subscription. Not, I want makeup, skincare, beauty stuff. Like, comes in a dropper.
Dropper?
Let's smell it. Oh, it's sealed up.
It tastes like medicine.
Yeah, I think it is gonna taste like medicine, you're right. Okay. Ew, it's like a brown.
I wanna see.
Oh, it stinks so bad. Oh my god, does it stink to you?
Yeah.
It stinks. Ew. Yeah, you said, ew, it's stanky. So again, not happy with that. Then we got this frozen something. What is this called? A Froze Lip Scrub. This retails for $16. Dew of the Gods. Show your lips some much needed love with scrub. I don't need a scrub. I have so many scrubs and I actually make my own lip scrub. So let's just put this away for a giveaway or something because I don't need another scrub, dude. What I do need to do is go and look at my profile and see what I have listed because, again, a freaking mascara, dude. I get my lashes done and I only use mascara. I don't even have mascara on today, y'all. I got my eyebrows done, so I went really light on the makeup because I can't get them wet yet still. And I did a video, this was the touch-up. I did a video for originally getting them microbladed. I'll link it below, but I went and got my touch-up, so they look great. But, you know, I don't want to have to work around washing, so I didn't really do makeup today. Anyway, mascara, not overly thrilled. $26, Iconic London. This is Triple Threat Mascara. We'll put this to the side for a giveaway because I have so many mascaras that I don't need them. I don't. And then we have a Bamboo Body Polish by the Lifestyle Co. Oh, wow, that's white. Thank you. There we go. This is going to retail for $50, $49. This polish has subtle bamboo stem extracts to achieve gentle physical exfoliation, self-care, blah, blah, blah. Stem extract, blah, blah, blah. Portion of the plant and blah, blah. Exfoliate, jojoba, jojoba oil. Let's smell it. I don't need another scrub either, but I mean, I'll take it. Oh. It's not a scrub. It's very, you can't tell. It's a jiggly. It's a jiggly liquid. Why did I think this was a scrub? I guess because it says body polish. It's not a scrub. Let's touch it. It's so jiggly. It's very liquidy. It's like very, 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 oh, it is a scrub. Very finely mealed. You can't even see it, but I can feel little minute sized grains of something in there. You know, I use it. It smells nice. It smells like coconut, tropical-ish, I guess. Again, it's not something that I would buy for myself or say like, yeah, let me spend the, what was this, $50, $60, $50? I wouldn't spend $50 for this. Oh, that's nice, Coco. You got a lot. Then we got this from Saturday Skin, which I do like Saturday Skin because the brand in general is just pretty good. This is Pretty Pop Probiotic Powder Whipped Cream. That's a freaking mouthful, dude. This retails for $57, which doesn't surprise me because generally this brand's pretty expensive, but I have found some products at TJ Maxx for not 60 bucks. Just throwing that out there. Let's see what this looks like. It says place moisturizer into the palm of your hand using your 4 fingers, applying an outward motion, an outward circular motion. Oh, it is very whipped. It is a very whipped feeling. It doesn't really have a smell. Do you smell anything? Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's very whippy. It's very. I
want to try.
Feels wet. It feels like a wet moisturizer, if that makes sense. But I feel like most of their moisturizers do feel like wet moisturizers in this weird way. And then the last thing we got, y'all, I was disappointed, okay, because there were 2 Rare Beauty palettes. This was not the one that I wanted, but it was the only available option. This retails for $25. I actually do love her blushes, the one that Coco had, and I have another one that's pink. And I do actually use the pink one today. Where is it? This one. I used this one today underneath my foundation. I just lightly did foundation today, but I do like her stuff generally speaking. This palette, it's pretty. The packaging is very, very pretty. This is what the, if I can open it, this is what the palette looks like there. Gorgeous. I mean, it's pretty. I feel like the quality would probably be there. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm just going to throw it. Nice, Coco. You put it on your knuckles. I'm not going to swatch it because these are not shades. Y'all know me. If you know me, you know me. These aren't shades that I use. Like, I wouldn't really use this or this. Maybe I would use this and the gold and maybe that. I just feel like, Probably not gonna. I just put this in a giveaway, y'all. Since we're not moving, update on that. If you follow us on Instagram, then you know, because I always post in my stories. If you don't follow us, please go follow us, and you can keep up with everything that we do daily. But we're not moving. Remember I said like, oh, we're gonna be moving soon. We actually were supposed to move this month to like DC, and that's not happening now. We'll be here like for a whole nother year. So I've decluttered, like I've started decluttering, which is why I feel like I haven't really been here lately, because I've been like full on decluttering everything. But now I'm gonna change this room around since we're not moving. I think I'm gonna move the girls' desk over here. I'm gonna switch it around. Probably what we're gonna do is decorate with the Halloween stuff and switch everything around at the same time. Now I'm rambling, and you could have just checked all of that out on my Instagram stories, twins×2. But all in all, okay, y'all, this is the box. Generally, I am always happy with Boxy and IPSY. The last month, I was just like, what's happening here? This month with Boxy, I'm just like, this is not a great luxe box for me. I'm gonna go and check my profile and see, maybe, you know, it's changed on its own, or maybe I need to update it and say I don't want shampoo and conditioner. All this smells good. And I actually need to do my hair, because this is not supposed to be black. So I'll try this out and I'll let y'all know in my Instagram stories, but it does smell delicious. Anyway, yeah, so I'm getting my life together, and I'm rambling, and you know, just there's that. This is the box, okay, y'all? That's the box. Don't do that. Ew. So yuck. Let's end it on that note of her licking eyeshadow. No. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye.
Not doing that.
Not doing that.
No, you doing it.
You doing that.
No, you doing it.
No, you doing that. I love you, Coco.
I love you.
I love you too.
I
I love you too.